I'm Heather Acker, and I'm a small business owner in St. John. I really didn't know how to use Mailchimp properly, and being part of the class, I learned all kinds of opportunities. How to create an email to send out to my customers and my clients and my entrepreneurs. How to add images, how to add content, all of that together. It was all hands-on. We practiced in class. It was really easy, especially when you're working beside other people and they were understanding it. They helped each other. There was lots of interactivity, which is very helpful for my style of learning. So I highly recommend this class. It's extremely important for entrepreneurs, small to medium-sized businesses, to actually use your email lists to benefit your business. And knowing how to do it right, and knowing how to read the analytics, and understanding it is a great opportunity and a great concept to grow your business. I would definitely highly recommend Chooka and their email marketing.